Okay, so I'm just gonna quickly go over how I blow dry and straighten my hair because I already have a video of this on my channel. It's actually my previous video, the one that I posted before this. And y'all, look, I finally got a universal comb attachment for my blow dryer. It kept sliding off though, so I had to I had to tape it and put a rubber band around the tape just so it could stay on because it kept sliding off. But this comb attachment saved me so much time and energy because the last time that I straightened my hair and I didn't have this comb attachment, my back was hurting and stuff. I was tired and it was Saturday and I didn't even want to pop out at the end of the night. But the heat protectant that I'm using is this Tresemme Thermal Creations Protective Spray Heat Tamer. Oh my god, these names are so long. But I went absolutely crazy with that heat protectant. Like that clip really does not show you any justice of how crazy I really went. And on top of that, I used the Cheese Silk Infusion when I flat ironed my hair. So it came out super greasy and stuck together and I was low-key shitty. But I'm gonna show y'all how I fixed that toward like the middle or the end of the video and how I made my hair like not oily and stuck together anymore. It actually like came out like really flowy and lightweight. But as you can see, when I trim my ends, I'm just straightening it and cutting where I think it's gonna be even. The first cut I did was a pretty big cut, but that's because I needed to cut that piece because that piece was super uneven, but all the other cuts are smaller. So that's basically what I kept doing until I finished. And in the end, it came out even because my hair already had its shape. It just needed to be trimmed, like desperately, because I'm not gonna lie, I hadn't trimmed my ends in I think 2 years, and y'all, that's not ideal. Like I want to at least trim my ends at least once a year, but things happen. I just didn't trim them. Like that's just what it is. But my hair wasn't like super damaged, but it did need a nice little amount cut off, you know what I'm saying? So yeah. So bonus, I'm going to show you all how I attempted to cut face framing pieces from watching these stupid YouTube tutorials having me thinking that it was going to be easy. And y'all, I screwed up and I wasn't comfortable enough to take out more hair and continue. So I'm not going to lie, I texted my old beautician like literally right after I made that cut and I asked her if she could finish framing the front pieces. And she did. So y'all, don't let these tutorials have you thinking you're a beautician if you're not, because once you make that cut, it's over, and it's best to go to a professional if you don't know what you're doing rather than screw up. Luckily, I have long hair and I use like a very thin area in the front, but if you got short hair, you definitely want to go to a professional because you don't want to mess up with short hair. Long hair you can kind of recover from, but short hair, In this moment is when I realized, girl, you fucked up. But when I went to the hair salon, y'all, I just told her, just even it out. Like, don't cut any shorter than that. Because I didn't want bangs. I just wanted face framing pieces. But I'm back from the salon. All she did was even that front piece out because she wasn't about to do nothing else for free. So, yeah, as you can see, my hair is super oily and stuck together from all this heat protectant. And side note, don't cut your hair when it's oily because when it's stuck together, you're not going to be able to get an accurate cut for your desired style. But what I did to get rid of the oiliness was use a dry shampoo. And just so y'all know, I had actually sprayed some of my hair off camera when I got back from getting those pieces fixed because I didn't know how it was going to turn out. So when I saw the results, I figured, ooh, let me get this on camera. But I never used a dry shampoo before, so I didn't know what to expect. But I was at Ulta, and since I was wearing my hair straight, I was like, why not buy one since they're cheap? And you never know. And y'all, as you can see, this saved my hair. My hair isn't oily, it isn't heavy and stuck together anymore. It's actually super flowy and lightweight, and it doesn't make your hair oily or dry and brittle or crunchy or anything. Your hair actually just feels normal. So this is like a straight hair necessity. Like, I never thought that I would use the dry shampoo, but I'm so glad that I did. And y'all, this isn't water, this is like a powder or something, so it's not going to revert your hair back curly. So yeah, thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful in some way, and make sure you subscribe and check out some other hair videos on my channel.